What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and financial freedom isn't money? It's the belief that you need it to start. Most people think you need thousands of dollars, an MBA, and a perfect business plan to start a business. That's a lie. In 2025, with AI, digital platforms, and the right strategy, you can build a business with $0. But there's a catch. Stick with me because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to launch a profitable business without a single dime, and I'll reveal the biggest mistake that could destroy your business before it even begins. Step 1. Sell what you know, not what you own. Here's the truth. Your biggest asset isn't money, it's your knowledge. Instead of selling products, sell skills. Can you edit videos, write, manage social media? Then congratulations, you have a business. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr let you start with zero investment, just your time. But let's address the fear creeping in. What if I have no skills? Well, if you can Google how to do X and learn it within a week, you have skills. If a cat can learn to open doors, you can learn Canva. Now what if you don't want to trade time for money? That's where step 2 changes everything. Step 2. Leverage other people's products. Affiliate marketing. Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds like a scam, right? Wrong. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products you don't even own. Amazon, Shopify, and ClickBank all let you sign up for free and promote their products. Here's the exciting part. TikTok and YouTube Shorts are exploding with product reviews. No money for ads? No problem. Just use trending content and AI-generated scripts to create videos. If your phone can take selfies, it can make you money. But wait, what if you don't want to show your face? That's where step 3 comes in. Step 3. Create a faceless digital empire. In 2025, content is currency. Faceless YouTube channels, blogs, and digital products can make you thousands without ever showing your face. You can start a YouTube automation channel, sell digital courses or ebooks, use AI tools like ChatGPT to write content. And here's the urgent truth. Right now, AI is a gold rush, but the window is closing fast. If you wait too long, you'll be competing against people who started today. You don't need money, you need action. The real difference between broke and wealthy isn't a bank balance, it's who takes the first step. But here's where most people fail. They make these 5 deadly business mistakes that sabotage everything. Click here to watch 5 mistakes that will kill your business before it starts and make sure you're not making them. See you there.